we are reacting a strong acid, which we can represent as H3O plus ion in solution, with a strong base represented by hydroxide ions existing in solution. Our initial reaction is that we have a strong acid reacting with a strong base, and our product is water, liquid water. Initially, we have 4 millimoles of our H3O plus ion and 6 millimoles of hydroxide. So H3O plus ion is essentially our limiting reagent. It's going to be completely consumed, and in the process consume 4 millimoles of our hydroxide ion, leaving 2 millimoles of hydroxide ion in solution. Numerically, we can determine the pH by first calculating the pOH as a negative log of the new concentration of hydroxide ion, and then pH can be determined by 14 minus the pOH, assuming that we're at 25 degrees C, and we're done.